Hello, good morning everyone, all the beautiful people out there. We are waiting for our friends. Today we'll be riding to Paro, 8 of us, and we'll be checking out new restaurant called the Toksong at the base of Toksong Monastery. And right now 2 of us only, all others are coming. The ride will be starting at 10:30 from here, and approximately 120 kilometers will be completed to and fro. Introducing on the Himalaya, Dr. John.
Today.
Yeah. And here is on the classic, Mike from America. And here on the time, Blade Rider. Introducing Peter on his lovely good old lady. And introducing Karanchu on the white Himi.
Thank you for waiting. I've been up. You are not there.
If you go, you will never get us.
So never wait for an artist.
Never wait for an artist. Okay, understood. So if you wait for an artist, you'll get delayed. And now we are heading to Paro. Tan, tan, tan. All right, guys. Get set. On the mark. On your mark. On your bike. How's the ride, guys? Good time, everyone? I hope nobody is grumbling.
It's like coming to Paro for the first time.
Your style, yeah?
No style, no hairstyle.
So you save some money, huh? While cutting your hair. So this is a pandemic haircut. You don't have to pay full.
Completely new style, huh?
Yeah, even see our Namge here, he didn't cut his hair because he's saving day. Alright, 3 pizzas.
Maybe this is risotto.
No, we are going to order everything. Okay, a little bit of everything and then, yeah. The food from Central Bhutan. Toksong has modified it to suit the customers, and we have finished all the food. Yummy, yummy.